Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all WGU practice questions. Introduction to Communication Practice Questions with Answers.
Question 1. Which of the following best defines communication? A. The process of storing information for later use. B. The process of creating and exchanging messages to generate meaning. C. The study of language and culture only. D. The use of technology to transmit signals. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The process of creating and exchanging messages to generate meaning. Explanation. Communication involves the exchange of messages between individuals or groups to create meaning and understanding. Question 2. Which model of communication views the process as a continuous, simultaneous exchange between sender and receiver? A. Linear model. B. Transactional model. C. Interactive model. D. Classical model. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Transactional model. Explanation. The transactional model sees communication as a dynamic process where both parties send and receive messages simultaneously. Question 3. In communication, which element refers to anything that interferes with message transmission or understanding? A. Encoding. B. Feedback. C. Noise. D. Context. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Noise. Explanation. Noise refers to any distraction or interference that affects how a message is delivered or understood. Question 4. Which type of communication involves interaction between two people? A. Intrapersonal communication. B. Interpersonal communication. C. Mass communication. D. Group communication. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Interpersonal communication. Explanation. Interpersonal communication occurs when two individuals exchange information directly. Question 5. Which of the following best describes nonverbal communication? A. Written communication only. B. Messages transmitted through body language, gestures, and tone. C. The use of spoken words to express ideas. D. Messages sent via email or text. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Messages transmitted through body language, gestures, and tone. Explanation. Nonverbal communication includes body language, gestures, tone of voice, and other cues beyond words. Question 6. Which communication channel provides the richest exchange of information? A. Email. B. Face-to-face conversation. C. Instant messaging. D. Pre-recorded video. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Face-to-face conversation. Explanation. Face-to-face communication allows immediate feedback and uses verbal and nonverbal cues for better understanding. Question 7. Which component of communication involves interpreting the meaning of a message? A. Encoding. B. Decoding. C. Feedback. D. Transmission. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Decoding. Explanation. Decoding refers to understanding and interpreting the message sent by the communicator. Question 8. The communication process, feedback is important because it A. Eliminates the need for the sender. B. confirms understanding between participants. C, removes noise from the environment. D, prevents nonverbal communication. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, broadcasting a live news program. Explanation: mass communication targets large audiences using channels like TV, radio, or online platforms. Question 9. In the communication process, feedback is important because it A, eliminates the need for the sender. B, confirms understanding between participants. C, removes noise from the environment. D, prevents nonverbal communication. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B, confirms understanding between participants. Explanation: feedback ensures that the receiver has understood the message correctly and allows the sender to clarify if needed. Question 10. Which of the following best illustrates the role of context in communication? A, the meaning of a message changes depending on time, place, and situation. B, context is unrelated to interpreting messages. C, context always provides the same meaning for everyone. D, context only affects written communication. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A, the meaning of a message changes depending on time, place, and situation. Explanation: context influences how messages are understood, as meaning can shift based on environment, timing, and relationships.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.